Lastly, I will demonstrate how to create an item in Aris. This is the last of the 3 basic objects that can be created in Aris. While there are many features, this is what creates the basis for a new game. Again, we'll work with our game Explore UNM. We begin as always by clicking the Add Object button in the lower left-hand corner, this time selecting Item from the drop-down menu. An item can be used to give a player something in the game they can pick up and drop it in various places, so that you know that your player is participating in the game. Once you've selected an item from the drop-down menu, an unnamed item will appear in your workspace. Double-click on this item to open the item editor. Here we can now edit your item. We start by giving our item a name. We'll call it Lobo Cash. You can also give your item a description as well. We'll explain ours as cash given to students. This cash can be used to redeem prizes. You can then edit the weight of the item as well as how many each player can obtain of this particular item by clicking the up and down arrows. Select the droppable box if you would like the character to be able to pick up the item and drop it elsewhere. Only select the destroyable box if you are positive you want the player to be able to destroy the item. It is not recoverable while in play after the item has been destroyed. As always, you can give your item both an icon and a piece of media. Clicking Icon Picker will select a flag so we can see where the Lobo Cache is located on the map. Next, clicking Media Picker, we'll select Money, since we're calling this item Lobo Cash. Now let's click Save and Close. We've now created an item that we can add to our game. Again, we simply just click and drag it slowly onto the map. Double-clicking on our newly created item to edit the settings. As always, you can edit the range at which a player can view the item, but here we can also edit how many of this item we want to be on the map by increasing the number in the quantity button. The other boxes should look familiar to you. Again, as you become more familiar with Aris, you can also edit requirements for items to make the game more interesting for your players. For now, we'll stay simple. Click Save and Close. By now, you should be able to create and edit the 3 most basic objects in Aris: a plaque, a character, and an item. With these 3 simple objects, you can begin creating a game as you go forward and get the more advanced tools that Aris has to offer.